These are what I like to call portals to other worlds, like the wardrobe in the Chronicles of Narnia. This adds a whole new look to your room, and really is stunning with these fairy LED lights. This could look really cool in your entryway, a hallway, a living room, or even out on the back covered porch. The most fun part about this is it's mostly recycled material, so the cost is super low, easily under 40 bucks. My question for you is, what other kinds of materials could you see going into a lit frame like this? Are sticks the only option? I bet a trip to Hobby Lobby would yield some interesting ideas. Post your ideas below, and as always, we'd love to see some examples of your DIY wall decor in the comments. Don't forget to stop by tomorrow, when we take a look at a special trick to turn your regular old tub into a craftsman masterpiece that's sure to boost your opinion about bath time. See you then.